Here we go, Luke. Keep pushing her. Watch out for that wall. Good job. Come on. Come on, Luke. Luke, come on. Oh, that's a dog. Don't hurt the dog. Come on. Luke. Okay, you should be pushing the chair as well. Okay, we're gonna say bye-bye now.
What do you do?
Say hi, Grandma.
Are you two wrecking my house?
Grandma, say hi.
Hi. This is fun with these babies.
Okay, bye-bye.